Dear friends, today I am going to tell you how to become a fluent speaker. Okay, dear friends, you know, a small steps leads to a big achievement one day. Okay, what does mean? It's mean if you want to achieve a big goal, but you should start from a small steps. Okay, like this, if you want to speak a big topic and you want to become a fluent speaker in English, then first start to a small sentence, word and phrases. Okay, and you should start to speak a small topic, isn't it? Because that one give you a base. Okay, now today I am again going to tell you a thought. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Okay. What does mean of this thought? Okay. Now I am going to tell you a small story. Okay. Related about it. That story is there are two students. Okay. First student uh, read 5 hours one a day, but after that he started to ignore to read. And second student read 1 hour 1 hour every day, but he maintained the continuity. Okay, that means consistency. Then after some months, the exam came. Second student got good marks in the exam, and first student asked to him, "Why? How did you get good marks in the exam?" Then second student replied him, I maintain the continuity." That means he read every day 1 hour. That means he maintain consistency. Okay, that is the each and everything follow the rules. Okay, if you want to become an fluent English speaker, then first you start to speak a small topic. Okay, and a small opinion. First of all, if you don't have any opinion to speak, then you will purchase a book. That book's name is Let's Learn English. That one see in behind me. Okay, so I will provide you one day, one page in this book. The main feature of this book, I will give you 5 opinions each day and one sentence initiator. Okay, and after that lot of sentences I will frame, then that one you have to follow and try to speak that one. Okay, let's move to that page. Dear friends, so then you can see the page of that book. Okay, and now you understand the opinion. After that you have to try to give related to this opinion. Okay, now what steps should be taken from the uplift of women? Okay, now first here, student Ranchi Women's College. Okay, she speaks related to this opinion. A lot is needed to improve the condition of women in our society. In my opinion, the most important thing is the proper education of women. Steps should be taken to generate employment for them. Both men and women should protect against dowry system occurs on women. Okay, this is the opinion of Kavita. Now, next opinion, Payal, student of Ranchi Women's College. Okay, education is essential for all-round development of women. A stress should be given on both primary and higher level education. Women have already suffered a lot in male-dominated society. Now the time has come to abolish this practice. Both men and women should be treated equally. Okay. Now next opinion here given, Shurvi. Shurvi, student of Ranchi Women's College, Ranchi. In my opinion, prosperity of a nation depends on the number of educated women it has. So steps should be taken both at private and government level to educate the women for. Even to curb superstition among the rural women, we needed to educate them. Archana, the opinion of Archana, student of Ranchi College, Ranchi. Our life is guided by the kind of education we receive. Efforts should be made to make every woman literate. They should be encouraged to show their skill in every walk of life. In no sense they are inferior to women. Women should be made known to this fact. Alka Kumari, student of Ranchi College, Ranchi, literacy is the buzzword for the uplift of women. Women should be provided with technical education so that they could set up their own business. The idea is to make them economically independent. Government should give them loans to set up a small industries. Okay. After that, this book provide you a sentence initiator, and each page is page number 1. Here given a sentence initiator. Okay, the sentence initiator, this is the first initiator, subject plus verb. Okay, that you have to make a small sentence relating this sentence and lot of sentence you speak every day. That one you have to identify and try to speak related this structure. Okay, for example, Ram studies, reads, goes through. Okay, next she is going, he is going. More example, Ram, I study, we we read, okay, we read, they move, we get up, she goes, he runs. Or there are different type of verbs you can use about this sentence. Okay, after that you have to use after see, after that is, and is here the main helping verb here given is. This word you main use in a sentence. Okay, for example, you, what are you doing, what is doing, what what he is doing, like this. Then she is working, he is doing, he is practicing English. There are, you have to make at least 5 or 10 sentence each day and practice. Okay, dear friends, if you want to this book, you have to comment only write book in my comment box and send your address. I will send the book in your address. Thank you for watching this video.